Hi everyone and welcome to the Hit Parade Baseball Card Gold Signatures box break. Let's get into it. With 25 spots we have BBPK7. With 4 spots we have Jerseys and Stuff. And with 1 spot we have Bryce. Alright, let's copy and paste our list on randomize.org. This is the Gold Signatures. Any Hit Parade is really my favorite break to do. Just great memorabilia. Hopefully we'll see a really good one today. We're going to randomize our list 5 times. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On the top we have BB, and at the bottom we have BB. Alright, let's copy our new list. Here is our new list. Alright, let's adjust that. Alright. BB with the Diamondbacks, Braves, Orioles, Red Sox, Cubs, White Sox, Reds, Indians. Jerseys and Stuff with the Rockies. BB with the Tigers, Astros, Royals, Angels, Dodgers, and Marlins. Jerseys and Stuff with the Brewers. BB with the Twins. Bryce Michael with the Mets. BB with the Yankees, Athletics, Phillies, Pirates, Pirates. Then Jerseys and Stuff with the Padres. BB with the Giants, Mariners, Cardinals, and Rays. Jerseys and Stuff with the Rangers. And BB with the Toronto Blue Jays and the Washington Nationals. Alright, let's open up our box. We got it sealed on all sides. Alright, let's open up this box. Alright. Here we go. See what we got. Alright. Oh, let's see. Oh, man. There we go. He's going to have a breakout season right here. It is Stephen Strasburg. Wow. He's actually one of my favorite pitchers, which is pretty cool. One of the underrated players in baseball right now. Hell of a pitcher. Numbered out of 75. Alright, that's going to go to the Nationals. Wow. Is that a hold on. Is that a relic or... I don't think that's it. Oh, game used base. So this is a game used base. Rather odd. I've never seen that before. Base. Alright, that's going to the Washington Nationals. That is BBPK7. You win a really nice autograph right there. I'm going to post another one of these breaks if you guys want to check that out. I have dollar breaks for this and baseball. I have the same golden signatures for football. Last time we had a Dan Marino auto. Yeah, and thanks so much for joining. It means a lot to me. And thanks. Have a great day.